Now, if you've been trying to update your payment method directly on the Ring mobile app, you might have noticed it's a bit tricky. That's because, unfortunately, the app doesn't allow you to change your credit card information directly. So, when you open the Ring app and go to Account Management and scroll down, there's no option to update or change your payment information. But don't worry, there's a solution and it's pretty simple. To update your payment details, we'll need to use a web browser instead. Here's what you need to do. Open your preferred browser and go to the Ring website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the three lines or the menu icon at the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Control Center. Next, go to Account Management. When you scroll down here, you'll finally see the Payment Method option. From here, it's easy to update your credit card information. Just click on the Add or Change button to enter your new credit card details.